Hi, welcome to today's yoga. I'm Teacher Joel. It's nice to have you here. Let's get right to it. Come to the front of your seat, both feet firmly planted on the ground, back breathing. Give yourself a big hug and one deep breath here. Do you feel how when you breathe in and your lungs inflate like a balloon, it pushes out your ribs and your chest? Can you try to feel that same sensation in your back? Let's try 2 breaths. Feel it, you're breathing in your back here. Good. What does it mean to be safe in your body? Safety in our body can be listening to our bodies. How does it feel to be safe in your body? When we do yoga, we're connecting our movement with our breath and with our minds. And oftentimes, our bodies will tell us when they're feeling safe and when they're not feeling safe. Sometimes when you stretch too far, one of your muscles might tell you, I'm stretched too far, I'm not feeling safe. Other times, we have to listen very carefully. Sometimes our bodies whisper to us when they're not feeling safe. For today's yoga practice, let's pay close attention, listen to our bodies, even when it's whispering to us, and keep our bodies safe today. Let's get started. Stand up. Come to the side of your chair for mountain pose. Stand tall, feet firmly planted on the ground. Can you move your feet closer together, maybe so they're even touching, and stay balanced? Let's do 2 breaths here. Now come with me to star pose. Step out and arms up. 2 breaths here. Turn your foot closest to your chair so your toes are right under it, just like this. And we're going to triangle pose. Tilt your triangle. Good job. 2 more breaths here. Tilt your triangle back. Bend your front knee and look over your front hand. Warrior 2. Stay tall and balanced. Now, look down to the seat of your chair and put your hand on your hip. We're going to lift our back leg on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's not easy for me. How are you? When you're balanced and you feel safe, can you lift your arm up above? Half moon pose. Very good. Now let's come out of it the same way we went in, carefully and safely. Hand to your hip, bend your knee, and step down. Good. Back to mountain. Now let's try it on the other side. Mountain pose. Bring your feet together and balance safely. Don't forget to stand tall. Now come with me to star. You ready? Turn your foot in under your chair, keeping both legs straight, and tilt your triangle. Stand tall and breathe. Let's tilt the triangle back down again. Look out over your front hand and bend your knee into Warrior 2. You ready for half moon? Hand to your hip. Let's look at the seat of our chair. And on 3, 2, 1. Woo. Wow, that's hard for me to balance. I think I'll try another way, maybe with 2 hands on the chair. That's better. I'm listening to my body and doing the yoga that's right for me. Let's come out of it safely, down slow with your knee bent. Good job. And back to mountain. We're going to take our seats again. Come to the front of your chair. Cross one leg over the other. Try to squeeze these in together. And give yourself a big hug. This is the eagle pose. 3 breaths. Now we're going to switch our legs, squeeze them in together, and also switch our arms. I'm putting the other one on top this time. 3 breaths. Very good. Hands back on your knees in front of you. Rainbow spine. Straighten your arms. Chin to chest and arch your back. Look forward and raise your heart. Last of all, we're going to twist. In your seat, make sure that your bottom stays in your seat where it is, so you're not twisting too far. One hand on the opposite knee, the other hand on the chair behind you. Twist and look back. One more breath. Now come out of this slowly to be safe. Switch hands, opposite knee and on your chair behind you, and look back. Facing front again. Good job. Now we're going to get down on the floor for our rest and relaxation. Slowly and safely, come to the seat next to your chair. Lie all the way back, and then put your legs up on the seat of your chair. You can keep your eyes open or close your eyes, whichever is most comfortable for you. Breathe and rest. As if you're falling asleep, let go of all of your thoughts. Just feel your breath. With every breath, you become more and more relaxed. Great. Imagine you have a magic friend to talk to, someone who knows and loves you better than you do yourself. Someone you can always trust, who cares about your feelings and who can help you with anything and everything. We'll call this wise, loving, helpful friend your inner advisor. Let them appear to you now in whatever form they choose, an animal or a person, a warm glowing light, or someone that you know. You may simply feel their presence and not see anything. Accept what comes as long as it feels caring and safe. Tell them what's going on with you and ask them any questions for which you are seeking clarity. Listen to your inner advisor's responses. They may come in words or pictures, or just as a feeling of sudden understanding. Consider what they have told you and imagine dealing with your problem as they have suggested. How would it change things? Can you act on their advice? If not, why not? Discuss those considerations with your inner advisor now until you feel you have a new perspective on your concern and have learned all you can for now. When you feel complete, thank your inner advisor and say goodbye. Remember that you can meet with them anytime that you desire by simply imagining them with you. Slowly wiggle your fingers and your hands, wiggle your toes, move your feet, waking our bodies back up from our rest and relaxation. When you're ready, let's come back to a seat. All the way to our chairs. That was a great yoga practice. I'm Teacher Joel. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.